VBAI Voice, a tool for automatically creating audio quickly and easily. VBAI Voice has created more than 38 male and female English voices from all regions. Here is our quick demo.
Hello everyone, I'm Destiny. I come from South Africa, a beautiful and sunny country with beautiful beaches and lush tropical forests. I was born and raised in Cape Town, a bustling port city with rolling hills and white sandy beaches. Cape Town is known as the most beautiful city in South Africa and one of the most beautiful cities in the world. The city possesses many majestic natural landscapes, including Table Mountain, Cape of Good Hope, Hout Bay. Table Mountain is Cape Town's most famous mountain, with a flat top like a tabletop. The Cape of Good Hope is where the Atlantic and Indian Oceans meet. Hout Bay is a beautiful natural bay, with long white sand beaches and colorful reefs. I am a person who loves nature and animals. I like to travel, explore new lands, and learn about different plants and animals. I am also someone who loves to cook and enjoy delicious meals.
To create voice for your videos with over 50 languages and 200 voices, check out vb.vn today.